down there. Our forces have taken out the target.
This is where the fun begins.
Just like the simulation.
You know they like a little blaster fire. See to concentrate. Scatter.
We're attacking the target.
Lucky, Master Windu wouldn't be as gentle. Wild space won't be safe for you after this. More scrap? Here, take a load off.
Initiating attack on the target. We're not able to destroy... Just a couple seconds. I guess the Clankers will have to send us a bigger one next time.
I'm guessing this isn't one of...
Driven by passion? Not what I'd expect from the Chosen One.
Traitors, the worst.
I've been looking forward to this.
More scraps for the compactor. I'm done messing around with you, Grievous.
Bravely passing.
No droids to hide behind now. A little slow, General. Need to plug in and recharge. Surrender! I won't tell you
Control
again.
everything.
This is where the fun begins.
Forward to this. The Sith control everything.
A very wise Jedi once said,
I've become
nothing happens
more
by accident.
powerful than any Jedi. Young Master Skywalker. Nothing brave.
On my way! Look out!
Greetings, exalted ones.
Let's keep it interesting.
It wasn't worthless after all. Great kid. Don't get cocky. Local religion, ancient weapon.
I know what you're planning.
How are you? Sit. Past the force is strong. You are not. Witness power. Very wise Jedi once said.
Expect worse than disintegration for the heroes.
Enough.
Readjust priorities. The conflict is only half over.
Boogie is mine.
Who knew heroes could be so...
Army or not, you must realize your lost too much time.
You're no challenge. You triple the prize. I might let you live.
Whatever's happening
Anger
here.
leads to hate.
Your master really should... Only a Sith deals in absolutes.
Our forces have gained a command post. Enemy forces are securing a command post.
It will take
All
more than a
hail the
cave
Dark
and a
Lord
helmet
of
to
kill
intimidate
streaks.
me.
I won't give up.
Kenobi brings the death stick. You are midway to power.
Hello there. How very uninspired. Well, better this than more...